that I saw on stage at 15, 16, what I thought about him was the truth, because he is the real deal and is one of the greatest people you could ever meet. And it's no coincidence that his partner in crime, Mr. Michael Anthony, is the same coolest guy you could ever friggin' meet. And here he is right now. And I love this guy to death. And he's the best right here as well. Michael Anthony, ladies and gentlemen. And when I talked to Sammy about it, I said, can we get Michael? And he said, oh yeah, Mikey's in. And I said, fuck yeah. Now Michael is going to stick around and play some old school Van Halen in a little bit. But to come out and play a little something from his catalog, and you know these guys are getting ready to go out on tour together with Joe Satriani and Jason Bonham next summer. It's going to be incredible. But ladies and gentlemen, again, this man is just the best, and just a freak of nature, the freak of freaks like Alice Cooper. Next up, the Red Rocker! The one, the only, the undisputed rock and roll champ, and of course he's got a cocktail in his hand. Sammy Hagar! Let's go, let's hear it, come on! Well, how can I follow that? Mikey, can we live up to that shit you just said? Well, here's the first song I ever wrote in my life. I figured might as well start in the beginning. First song I wrote in my little band called Mantra.